If you are a healthcare professional, filing claims to insurance companies must be frustrating for you, especially when the process is manual, or making your employees deal with medical bills using inefficient software, leading to lose your revenues. We hear your pain, and we've got the perfect solution. The expEDIum medical billing software is a secure, cloud-based, comprehensive medical billing and practice management software, which was developed to automate the process of healthcare billing and manage revenue cycle. Its advanced features help billers to eliminate errors before submitting claims to insurance companies, which in turn ensures billing productivity, revenue collection, and data security, among other things. Let us look into the exact problems in the current billing systems which are faced by billers and doctors, and how expEDIum can help solve them efficiently. Creating a claim and scrubbing claim submission. When done manually, it can lead to confusion and uncertainties to billers. With expEDIum, everything becomes simplified. The software has the capability to identify potential errors while submitting a claim, thus reduced rejections and denials from payers. Error claims can be scrubbed and resubmitted. The system supports both HCFA-1500 and UB-04, and claims can be imported from CSV, XML, NSF, EDI, NEMSIS, and HL7 files. Denials and rejections and AR calling. Increased rejections and denials and lack of visibility of the claim status results in delay of collections and excess phone calls to follow up, which in turn increases the cost. In expEDIum, pre-qualified edits are built into the software, thus reducing potential rejections and denials. And the status of a claim, along with payer reports, can be seen at any given point of time. Payment posting. A lot of time gets wasted due to entering data manually. With expEDIum, ERA files can be posted automatically and manually. Printing and export of ERAs and EOBs can be done as and when needed. Hidden costs. Thousands of dollars are spent in paying vendors for data migration, training, support, and data export. With expEDIum, just a nominal fee is required, or sometimes nothing at all. More importantly, expEDIum doesn't compromise on its service quality and data security, where you get premium support and training. Emails are answered within 24 hours. Complete ownership of the data, 24/7 secure access with HIPAA-compliant cloud servers. Here is a look at a typical revenue cycle management workflow of expEDIum. Each stage of the cycle is managed smoothly. To understand more about expEDIum, let's look at its features. Dashboards. From over 30+ dashlets, a user can configure 4 dashlets on the home page that helps in making quick decisions and proper planning of the day ahead. Patient management. Users can add patients either one at a time or import and/or transfer from other applications with proper integration. Import and export can be done in XML, HL7, NEMSIS, and CSV Excel files. Can check insurance eligibility in real time. The ledger shows the aggregated transaction of the patient and can add manual transactions. Appointments. Scheduling or rescheduling patient appointments becomes easy. Multiple appointment views are available. Can filter appointment using many criteria. Ability to set color codes, timing in a few dimensions. Trails of all activity are available instantly. Additionally, we can verify real-time insurance eligibility in bulk seamlessly. Claims management. Can search for denials, rejections, and claims in various status, and by specific date such as procedure code, reason code, remark code, date, providers, payers, etc. Users can track current claim status at a single button click and see the payers' reports too. This obliterates the need to make constant calls and remain up to date. Claims can be resubmitted by scrubbing exceptions if needed. Submitting secondary claims. Handling secondary claims become easier and automated with expEDIum. You can find any pending secondary claims in a single click. Primary COB is crossed over and auto-created the secondary claim. Reports. Users get access to over 60-plus ready-made reports and 30-plus dashlets that they can be exported to a CSV, Excel, or PDF file. Custom reports can be programmed at free of cost or for a nominal fee. Managing your accounts. Any number of user and/or biller accounts can be created with expEDIum. Manage loads of features like fee schedules, referring providers, printing paper claims, custom fields, ledger transaction types, and much more. Wondering what would be your return on investment? Worry not, we have a list. Your average secondary revenue collection increases by 20% due to better secondary claim visibility in the system. 80% of secondary claims are completely automated, and 90% of the time consumption is cut down in manually creating the remaining 20% secondary claims in the system. AR calling gets reduced by 80% due to better claim lifecycle visibility and the capabilities of the software to process and reconcile all reports from payers and clearinghouses. Automation helps clients improve billing productivity by over 20%. Overall cost saving is over 30% in the expEDIum solution compared to some of our immediate competitors. Still not satisfied with the whole deal? Here's an insight to iTech. iTech, a PMS and RCM company. iTech's solution are used by over 2,200 providers and process more than 3.3 million HIPAA transactions per year across all clients. iTech work with several healthcare specialties like TPAs, IPAs, clearinghouses, medical practices, EMS and ambulance agencies, public health clinics, hospitals, healthcare BPOs, and billing service bureau. You can request a live demo of expEDIum solution at www.itechws.com/demo-request.html or call today to schedule a demo at 786-646-0099.